Hey guys, this is how to open a Terabox video link without app. So guys, in order for you to do that, just simply go ahead and open up any web browser on your device. So I'm gonna go for my Chrome, and from here, just simply go to google.com and just simply go ahead and search for Terabox link. And from here, just search it. And if you scroll down below, you will see over here Terabox downloader. So just simply go ahead and click on this. And now guys, from here, as you can see, we will have here a box which we can provide a Terabox link here. And after that, we'll be able to open up a Terabox video and just simply provide the link over here. And you can simply download it. Or guys, what you could try to do if you have the link is just simply go ahead and provide the link at the URL. And I'm just gonna go for google.com as an example. And let's say this is the link that you have. And from there, guys, a method that I will show you is just simply tap on the three dots over here at the top right corner of the screen, and after that make sure to tap on a desktop site, and from there guys you should be able to see the video and you'll be able to download it as well, and just simply provide the link in the URL at the top over here. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.